You need more than a handful of checking accounts to manage your business finances, but you're tired of all the red tape and endless paperwork. What if I told you there was a way to create up to 20 business checking accounts in just a few clicks, all without a single phone call to a bank? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. With Relay Financial, you can do just that. They're an online banking and money management platform designed specifically for small businesses, and they've completely changed the game when it comes to organizing your finances. If you're an agency owner, an e-commerce brand, a freelancer, or anyone who needs to manage multiple income streams and expenses, you know how crucial it is to keep things organized. You've got different clients, different projects, maybe different tax categories. Juggling all that with just 1 or 2 checking accounts is a nightmare. This is where Relay comes in. To start, you need a Relay account. If you don't have one, it takes just a few minutes to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Accounts. Now, look for the Create Account button and click it. Relay will give you a few options. You can create a new checking account, a savings account, or a reserve account. For this, we'll select Checking Account. You'll be prompted to name your new account. This is where you get to be creative and specific. Name it based on its purpose. For example, Client A Income, Marketing Budget, Taxes, Q4, or Emergency Fund. This simple step is the key to staying organized. After you name it, you can set an initial deposit amount and even link it to an existing account if you want to transfer funds immediately. Hit Create, and boom, your new account is live. The best part? You can repeat this process up to 20 times. You can create accounts for payroll, for software subscriptions, for specific projects, for different team members, whatever you need. Each one gets its own unique account number, making it incredibly easy to track money coming in and out for its specific purpose. The level of granular control this gives you is a game changer. No more manually tracking things in a spreadsheet. No more guessing how much money you have for a specific expense category. It's all right there, perfectly sorted. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.